Hello guys, welcome to TechBay. In this video, we are going to create a custom audio player and we are going to play a set of audio files using this player. And this player will be consisting of a forward button, a backward button, a play pause button and a shuffle button. And we'll also implement a UI slider which will allow us the audio scrubbing, and we will add a UI tab gesture on this UI slider, and we will also add two labels in order to represent the current duration and the total duration of the audio file. So let's begin with the Xcode. Create a new Xcode project, select single view app, give next, give a product name, let it be player, make sure I have selected Swift and storyboard and give next. Now go to main the storyboard. Now from the library, drag a button into your controller. Let's give some constraints: left, right, bottom and height. This button is going to be our shuffle button. Clear the text over here. Let's add a system image for shuffle. Now we're going to add a UI slider. Let's give some constraints: left, right, bottom and height. Now let's add label. The first label is for current duration. It will represent the current duration of the song, and constraints left, right, bottom and height. Let it be 0.00. I will add one more label, this one for total duration of the song. Now we will add button, three buttons, one button for play or pause option. Clear the text here, add, select the image, player pause. Now this one with the fill, and we will add one more button. This one is for forward. One last button for backward. Now select all three buttons and in stack view. Select the distribution as equal spacing. Now let's give constraints: left, right, bottom and height. Now we will add a image view. Using this image view, we will display the image related to the song that we are playing. Give constraints left, right, top and height. Now I'm going to change the label color of this one to be white, and this one also going to be white. And I'm going to change the view controller color to be black, and the tint color for the forward button to be custom color. And I'm going to change the color of the slider also. For minimum track, I'm going to add a dark color. And for the thumb, a little bit light. And for the max, I'm going to add a white. Okay. Now it's time to map our buttons and slider. So using the assistant editor, this is going to be our shuffle button. We'll create a one outlet and one action for the slider. Let the outlet be slide. Change one action. And the first label is going to be current duration. Second one is going to be total duration. And the first button here is going to be back button. And the second one is going to be play. And the final one is going to be next. Now I'm going to add a bundle from my system. Copy items if needed, and I'm also going to drag some of the images that I'm going to use in this project. These are the related images of the songs that I'm going to use in this project. This bundle actually consists of some songs, some random number of songs that I downloaded from internet. Uh, if you want to know how to create this bundle, it is simple. Create a new folder and just drag some songs. Suppose I have some songs here. I'll drag some songs, random songs, and I will copy. I will simply paste here. Now I will rename the folder as dot bundle. Let it be song dot bundle. Just give a add. It's simple to create a bundle file. Okay, now in view controller, I'm going to pass this bundle and fed the data and store in array. For that, I'm creating an array. Let be var array. It will store URLs. I'm going to create a function find pass let urls is equal to main bundle dot main dot urls. Select the first one for resource with extension and subdirectory, and our extension is going to be nil, and subdirectory is actually our bundle name. It's going to be da dot bundle. Let let url is equal to urls. If there is item, it will move. If there is some URLs, it will move to this URL variable, and using a for loop, for I in 0 to URL dot count array dot append if there is data. Just a second. Print array. If there is data, it will move to URL here, and here it will calculate the number of URL we have, that is the number of songs. Suppose if it is 7, it will calculate from 0 to uh, less than URL dot count 0 to 6. So each of the element will be appended to the array here, like URL of 0, URL of 1, and up to URL of 6. And we will print the array here. We need to call it from view.load. Let's run the project. You can see here the song name we have is appearing here. That means uh, we pass the array, we pass the file, the da.bundle, and we store the each file in our array. So guys, we'll continue with the next video.